Is this driftwood? Is this driftwood good for your planted aquarium? What plants can you grow on this driftwood? Will this driftwood help your shrimp and plecos? What plecos to use in a planted aquarium? Why does Monte Carlo grow downwards? Why does Glossostigma grow upwards? These are all the amazing questions and discussions we are going to have in our online course. Now you all know that we are starting our online aquascaping course, and this is a members only course. Now in this course we'll be having a lot of discussions, a lot of videos pertaining to aquascaping, and the end result is to try and get you, the members, to be so confident and so well educated in this subject that you can actually go for competitions and even win. Now that is our intention. Now we have a few members, actually quite a lot of members, and we ran a poll as to whether we should have the videos in Hindi, English or any other language. And the popular choice was that we have these videos in English. So our aquascaping videos, that is our online masterclass on aquascaping, is going to be in English. And our first video, that is Aquascaping Masterclass 1, is starting from the 14th of March, Thursday. That is tomorrow. So it's starting tomorrow, and if you have still not got your memberships, then join now. How to join, details are in the description. So you can see the description below the video, or you can just send us a message on this number and we'll WhatsApp you the link. That's also possible. If you are serious about aquascaping, and popular demand has requested us to make this video in English, so it's going to be very easy for me as well, because easy for me to explain a lot of things. And I don't have to translate it in Hindi, right? So the course is going to be in English, and a lot of you can enjoy it and watch it, and of course learn a lot from this. So if you have not joined, join now. And the ones who have already joined, thank you very much. And I'll see you on Thursday, that is the 14th of March. And yes, all members, remember, on Saturday, that is 16th of March, we are going to have a Zoom chat. A live Zoom chat, so we can discuss the video, the first video, the first class, and answer your questions live. So if you people, that is the members, have not yet submitted your details, please connect on this number and we will send you a Google form, so you can send us all your details, so we can WhatsApp you the link or email you the link. Okay, so these are 2 points. The course is going to be in English. That's the announcement right now. I'll see you in the course. Bye bye.